ain't no old hundreds, bitch, these new. Yeah, they blue. And I ain't stepping in no club without my crew. What then? I'm a fool. All my niggas valid, they some loose. Screw. Everybody around me up a dude. Look, baby, your boyfriend been broke, that ain't nothing new. He don't know about Gucci, Givenchy, that part of that Fendi, that Louis. Nah. He don't know about spending a few racks and then make it right back in the morning.
Alright, so welcome to the new improved. We're taking over this shit. We got a sign that says, I'm a virgin, Honk the Tanky. If you guys can see my Instagram, link will be in the description, all of ours. We're gonna go on the road, we're gonna see how many honks we can get. Let's go. Bro, I don't think they like that you're a virgin. Bro, no virgin's allowed. Virginity is cool, bro.
You stupid.